Assalamu alaikum, my name is Syed Mazhar Ali and our presentation topic is Advanced Construction Techniques and Materials. These are my group members. Now let's start with the introduction. Accommodation is an essential aspect of modern society and the construction industry plays a vital role in meeting the growing demand for housing and other type of accommodations. Advanced construction techniques have enabled builders and construction professionals to design and construct buildings that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also energy efficient, environmentally friendly and sustainable. From modular housing units to smart homes, the latest advancements in construction techniques and materials have opened up new possibilities for creating comfortable and affordable and eco-friendly accommodation solutions. This section will dive deeper into some of the advanced construction techniques used in modern accommodation projects and their benefits. Urbanization is one of the most significant and global trends of the modern era. With more and more people moving to cities in search of better opportunities and a higher quality of life, this rapid urbanization has put enormous pressure on urban infrastructure and the construction industry, leading to the new need of more advanced and sustainable construction techniques. Advanced construction techniques can help create smarter and more efficient cities that can help meet the needs of growing population while minimizing the environmental impact. From green buildings to high-tech transportation systems, this section will explore some of the advanced construction techniques used in urban development projects and their potential to shape the future of our cities. The development of advanced methods is critical for the continued growth and success of the construction industry. In recent years, there has been a growing need for more sustainable and cost-effective building practices, leading to the development of advanced construction techniques. These techniques rely on the latest technology and materials to create buildings that are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Modern structures are a testament to the remarkable advancements that have been made in the construction industry over the years, from skyscrapers that soar high into the sky to the bridges that span vast distances. Modern structures are feats of engineering and design that push the boundaries of what is possible. Advanced construction techniques and the materials have made it possible to create structures that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also safe, durable and energy efficient. This section will explore the most remarkable modern structures and the advanced construction techniques and materials that were used to bring them to life. We will also discuss the challenges and opportunities that come with the building these impressive structures and the role of technology in modern construction practice.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Umar Shoaib and today I will tell you about some modern methods used in construction. First of all, we have prefabrication. Prefabrication is a practice of assembling components such as beams and columns in factories and some manufacturing sites and then transporting it into the construction site whenever it is required or needed. Next up, we have 3D printing. 3D printing in construction is emerging as a new technology. It involves using a computer controlled machine to build layer by layer of a structure from a digital model. This technique offers high precision as compared to the old methods used in construction industries. Next up, we have green building technique. Green building techniques aims to reduce the environmental impacts of buildings and to promote sustainability. It involves using renewable energy resources, sustainable building materials, and energy efficient designs. Green building can reduce energy consumption, water usage, and carbon emissions. Now, for the next points, I will transfer it to my partner Abdullah Khalid.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdullah and I will tell you more about advanced construction techniques. So the first one is building information modeling, BIM. Building information modeling is a digital representation of a building. Building information modeling can be used throughout the building life cycle from initial design and construction to operation and maintenance. It is a collaborative process that involves multiple stakeholders such as owners, architects, engineers, and contractors. By working in a digital environment, these stakeholders can identify the potential issues before the beginning of construction, which saves time and money. Overall, building information model is a very powerful tool for improving the efficiency and effectiveness of building projects, which is increasingly being used in the construction industry around the world. So the next one is brace frame structure. A brace frame is a very strong structural system that is commonly used in structures subject to lateral loads such as wind and earthquakes. A brace frame member is made up of structural steel which can resist in both tension and compression. A well-designed bracing construction can improve a building's ability to withstand a well-designed bracing construction can improve the building ability to withstand these forces. Advanced building material are a new generation of building material that demonstrate exceptional properties, making buildings and infrastructure smarter, more sustainable, energy efficient, and resilient. And here are some examples in advanced construction material which my partner Affan will tell you. So now over to Affan.
Translucent concrete. Translucent concrete, also known as Litracon, is a type of concrete that allows light to pass through it. The material is made up of optical fiber that are embedded in the concrete, which transmits light from one end to the other, creating a unique and visually appealing effect. Translucent concrete is aesthetically pleasing and can be used to create stunning architectural features in buildings. It allows natural light to pass through, reducing the need to artificial light during the day. It is durable and can withstand harsh weather conditions. It provides good thermal insulator. Translucent concrete can be used in exterior and internal wall, flooring and other architectural features. It is commonly used in high-end residential and commercial building, museum and art galleries. Fly ash brick. Fly ash brick are made from a mixture of fly ash, cement, sand and water. Fly ash is a byproduct of burning coal, which are typically discarded as waste. They are lightweight and easy to handle, reducing transportation costs. They are durable and provided good thermal insulation. Fly ash brick can be used in all types of construction, including residential, commercial and industrial building. They are commonly used in foundation, wall and other structural elements. Bendable concrete, also known as engineering cementitious composite. It is a type of concrete that can bend and deform without cracking or breaking. It is made up of mixture of cement, sand and fiber, such as polymer or steel. Bendable concrete is more ductile than traditional concrete and can withstand more deformation before cracking or breaking. It has a higher tensile strength, making it more resistant to compact and seismic activity. It is durable and can withstand harsh weather conditions.
As we know that in construction, we use a lot of reinforcement to collect all the objects and building materials together. Now, the next material I'm talking about is the carbon fiber reinforced polymers. As compared to the steel, they provide a lot of strength and durability. Now, we are talking about carbon fibers. What are these? They are made along with a lot of chemical processes, and are made quite capable of giving high strength and high durability. Being a civil engineer, we use them in order to keep our environment safe, in order to keep our buildings tall and more strength and more capable of bearing the load. Another group of materials that are newly developed are called self-healing materials. Now what happens, when we are constructing the roads and the bridges and the buildings, water seeps inside or any other liquid seeps inside and the material itself cracks. And these cracks and these ruptures are then, they just shred it over the load and it just disturbs our whole structure. So what happens? The structure collapses, and this is a very gradual process in a very gradual manner. Now, what we have done, civil engineers and specifically technological civil engineers have developed the self-healing materials. This is very, very new technique in the market. What they do, they just detect and they not only detect the problem but repair themselves in order to not disturb the whole structure. so that we don't have to cut it and paste it and repair it manually. It does it themselves. As till now, we have discussed several newly developed methods and advanced techniques in construction and in structure in detail. Several points are yet to be added further if we discuss about it more. Now, the slide is about the conclusion. Conclusion is, as a human, as a member of human race, we have to reside in, we have to take rest in, we have to get shelter from some sort of construction or some sort of structures. So, the modern human race resides mostly in cities. It is called the function and the phenomenon of urbanization. To tackle it and to manage it, we have to keep humans aligned, and we have to keep humans efficiently resided over, and thus we use modern techniques. You can see the skyscrapers, the Burj Al Khalifa, the Jeddah Tower and the Makkah Tower, etc. Tall buildings, huge buildings, larger buildings, strong buildings, and as you know that there are buildings that can even suffer and that can even bear the consequences of earthquakes too. So advanced construction techniques are very important during the constructions.